I've been doing these manifestation meditations for a couple months, and it's just been incredible. I cannot even put into words. I am getting opportunities left and right, things I have no idea where it's taking me, but it's really just surrendering to the universe, meditating, just accepting the process, the outcome, without placing too much importance on what anything's going to happen. That's not my concern. My concern is just implementing and just doing everything on a daily basis, sticking with habits, sticking with methods to create, and just focusing on creating, focusing on the process. It's like, yes, I'm focused sometimes on the outcome so I know where to head, but I'm not spending as much time knowing that, oh, once I get there, I'll be happy. I don't care about that. That's not the reason I'm here. I'm just here really focusing on the process. And when I focus on the process, the universe is opening up for me. It is so fascinating to see that I'm getting all these opportunities. I'm getting clients who I've never thought would just randomly show up. Right? Some really good quality opportunities with my dream clients, people I enjoy working with. And it's not that I'm going out of my way to do anything. It's just these opportunities are coming to me, getting presented to me. And it's effortless the way that I'm able to guide them through the process. And I'm just sharing this because, yes, I've been meditating, but I've been seeing the results of this meditation just by what's happening with these opportunities that are coming my way. If you haven't manifested before, if you have not done any sort of manifestation meditation, I encourage you to try it. It just calms down your mind, calms down your brain, really lets energy flow through you and feel as if you're already living that reality. When you do this, when you live in that reality, all these opportunities start manifesting in the 3 dimensions. And once it's in the 3 dimensions, what can you do? You can just enjoy it. You don't have to make matter, create matter. Manifest from a higher dimension. You could use these higher dimensions a lot easier if done properly, and just let it unfold in the 3 dimensions. I'm just sharing all this with you because manifestation meditations are real. I'm seeing it. I'm just exploring this myself. I'm documenting my journey. And if you want to get started with manifesting these meditations, I go live every morning at 6 a.m. Pacific time. And you can check out some of these earlier recordings that I've done right here.